Hey everyone, it's me. I love you, Pooh Bear 97. My name is Rayshawn, and this is a song I came up with. It's the tune of Christmas is Hollis, Christmas and Hollis, and the song is called U52 Hugger Ceiling Fan. So here it is. 52 inches, innocent press by 1993. This is a SMC Roy plus U52 Hugger Ceiling Fan. Purchased that Kmart back in 1994. Also blows tons of air. Michael Keith Suber was replacing the fan with the Murray Feast tall man. Hugger Ceiling Fan got electrocuted by the Hampton Bay St. Clair ceiling fan. They sit up in the ceiling and spin around all day. They spin around all day to keep the room cool. Now this is ASMC Roy Flush U52 Hugger Ceiling Fan. Purchased that Kmart back in 1994, where also blows tons of air. When Michael Suber was replacing the fan, yeah, with the Murray Feast Stormy Ceiling Fan, yeah, got electrocuted by the Hampton Bay St. Clair Ceiling Fan. He got electrocuted by the Ancon, Georgia Ceiling Fan. 52 inches and it's anti brands. This is ASMC Roy Flush U52 Hugger Ceiling Fan. Purchased that Kmart back in 1994, where also blows tons of air. This is ASMC Roy Flush U52 Hugger Ceiling Fan. Purchased that Kmart dated October 93. Also blows tons of air. This is ASMC Roy Flush U52 Flush Mouth Ceiling Fan. Purchased that Kmart back in 1994, where also blows tons of air. This is ASMC Roy Flush U52 Flush Mouth Ceiling Fan. Purchased that Kmart dated October 93. Also blows tons of air. Alright, so this is the song I came up with back in June of 2013. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.